Now we have average 3, basically version 3 is a program to average a set of numbers, illustrates a sentinel loop using negative input as sentinel. So in this case, we're going to continue having our total accumulator 0 and our count variable 0 as well. However, we don't need more data anymore, so we can just delete that, and then we can use this. Going to just copy and then paste it here. So X will be an integer input, enter a test score, and then we can again prompt just say negative to quit. Simple as that. So user enter the values, and then our sentinel condition will be X is greater than or equal to 0. While that's the case, we can get rid of this. We can add total, X2 total, 1 to count, and of course to ask again. There's a little bit of redundancy here, so we can address that a little later. Okay, here we go. So as long as the value user enter is greater than 0, we're just gonna keep asking. So let's test this. So enter the test score, negative to quit. So 60, 90, 70, 80, 50, 40, 100, 99. And if you feel like you're tired, you can just say negative 1. Here we go. So our average is 73.